Hello, kindergarten. Today we're going to be talking about another element of art. This time we're going to talk about the element of form. Okay, so form is very similar to shape, which we talked about last lesson. So, shape, if you don't remember, we have geometric, which is your rectangles, squares, circles, stuff like that. And then we had organic shapes, which was more of your nature based shapes. So, leaves, raindrops, clouds, flowers, stuff like that. Now, form is a little bit more evolved. It's almost based off of shape, but it is a three-dimensional figure. So basically, it's something that is not flat, like on a piece of paper, but there's actually it seems like it's popping out and coming to life. Um, Form is an element of art. It's as three-dimensional and encloses space. And like shape, form has length and width, but it also has depth. Okay? Form can also be geometric. So like we have in examples right here. Or it can be free form or like organic. Okay? So as you can see in the examples, we have a rectangular prism, which looking at the name alone, you would think, oh, that must be based off of rectangle. And you're right, it is based off a rectangle. All right. A cube. All right. That one is based off a square. Now, you guys probably remember this from your op art, how we used a cube to make an illusion. And I told you that a cube is basically a 3D form of a square. And a square is just four sides that are exactly the same. Then we have a cylinder. You see that a lot with pop cans or anything, or water bottles. Usually those are cylinders. Those are almost like a combination of a rectangular prism and a flat circle all in one. A sphere, so think of like a basketball, a volleyball, baseball, the dodgeballs you use during gym. Those are based off of a circle. So rather than just a flat circle, a sphere is something that you can actually hold. All right. Let me look at this real quick. Now looking at this, we can see form not only in 3D. So form right away, you guys probably think of sculptures. So with 3D form, you can see how it can be realistic. So we have this eagle, this bird right here. Okay. Then we have this person. Again, that's 3D. You can see it on, if you were to rotate the sculpture pieces, you could see a bit of the shape all the way around and it looks realistic. Or it can be freeform or organic based off of something in real life. So in this sculpture piece, it's less realistic. It's not something you see every day, but you can tell just by the sculpture that it looks like two people. All right? You probably don't know this, but you guys also have seen form in the movies that you watch. Some of you may know. Let me find it. So movies such as. Oh, there it is. Okay. So this one at the top we have How to Train Your Dragon. Okay. Now, in the movie, in making movies, How to Train Your Dragon is what we call 3D animation. So these are basically characters that are designed using 3D models or sculptures like we've seen in the last example. While something right here, you guys might not even know this movie. This is what we call 2D art. This is something that's drawn so slowly using paper, hand by hand, using flat drawings to make a movie. All right. So in the next video, we are going to talk more about form and then how you guys are going to do your assignment. Okay? I will see you then.